Dear connections, I hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about one important Power BI error and the resolving technique of that error. Um, while you are working in your project, you definitely faced this error many times. Okay, like let's say you completely created your dashboard and then SIT is done, UAT is done. During production phase, you encountered this error, let's say, and this is a very common error, but many experienced Power BI developer also um, can't solve this problem quickly. So I will recreate the error in this video and I will solve it in front of you. So without any further delay, let's jump into my Notepad++ at first. So the error will be like this: column name. Let's say here column name is customer ID. In table, customer details contains a duplicate value 3, and this is not allowed for columns on the one side of a man-to-many relationship or for columns that are used as the primary key of a table. So I took this sample dashboard, very simple sample dashboard, customer details and sales details. Just think about it like a snowflake warehouse, snowflake database. Like this is a Excel, but just in your mind, just think that this is a snowflake database, and you just connected this snowflake database into a Power BI and created your dashboard. So this is the data. This is the visual I already created. Hmm. Now let's say SIT is done, UAT is done. In the production phase, you are there. You change the parameter. After that, you let's say let me recreate the error. So after production parameter change, one new value came here. Let's say the value is Control C, Control B. The value is Rohan Das underscore 2, but customer ID is same. Okay, this value came maybe. Just think in your mind, and after switching the parameter, the dashboard will refresh obviously. Yeah, see the error is coming. Column customer ID in table customer details contains a duplicate value 3. This is not allowed for columns on one side of the relationship of one side of a many-to-many relationship or for columns that are used as a primary key of a table. Load was cancelled by an error in loading a previous table. So in this stage, all the Power BI developers became worried, like everything was good. Then what happened in the production? Uh, the project end date is approaching. What client will tell? They start overthinking, but don't worry. There are two solutions you can do. Close it. At you can go to your data engineering team and ask them to remove that duplicate value. Okay, and they will remove in the database level and the error will be gone. You just need to hit the refresh button again, the error will be gone. This is one process. Okay, and but let's think about a different scenario. Let's say all the data engineering team members are on leave, or they are not as much helpful. Let's say they are not helpful, then what you can do, you need to open your Power Query editor by clicking on transform data. See here in the customer details table, Rohan underscore 2 with another with customer ID 3 is coming. Okay, so what you need to do is like you need to click on this customer ID column, right click on it, then remove duplicates. Duplicate removed. Now click on close and apply. If you want, you can create M code to remove that duplicate thing. But since this has only some few rows and we can see the data, just right click on the column and remove the duplicates. Okay. After that, now do a refresh. This time you will not face this issue. This error will gone now. See, there is no error is coming. The error is gone. So like this way, you need to solve this issue in your real-time project. Thank you very much.